everyone. We're coming to you from the Our Lady Chapel here at Hastings Catholic School, St. Cecilia's Renovation and new addition behind us. Holly's going to say a few words about our campaign, but I want to talk a little bit about what's happened this last year. On May 9th, we had our official closing of the street of Kansas between 5th and 6th. We had a big street dance, and then the next day we officially started our renovations. And after school got out, we started with the asbestos abatement, and since then there's just been so much happening, especially on the south wing and then this new renovation piece. So we took down the hawk walk, we removed all the windows, replaced all with new on the south wing, started the new addition. The elevator is just to my left here, to Holly's left. That's where that will be placed. We've given probably hundreds of tours by this point. Our donors have really stepped up. We're so proud of them and so proud of our campaign team that's really, made up of hundreds of volunteers who've been just so generous with their time, their talent, and their treasure too. At this point, we're right about $9.8 million of our total goal. We've also given to each of the parishes $25,000 as part of their $100,000 rebate. We'll have another payment coming here next week for them of $25,000 each. We graduated a class of 30 last year. We look to graduate another class of 35 this coming Sunday. The events, the activities, the awards, the things our students have done and continue to do is just phenomenal. So we're grateful for everyone's support, and we look forward to our future and all that's going to happen in this building. And as one of the donors said about this particular chapel, said, Father, there are going to be so many vocations found of marriage, to priesthood, to religious life, to and a little bit of noise behind us, but we're also going to see people, our students, meet Christ in a profound way in this place. So I'm going to turn it over to Holly with some of the things she has to say.
None of this would be possible without our Hastings Catholic Schools community and the community of Hastings stepping up behind us for this project. It's been fun on the tours. People have been saying, why did we wait so long? Well, I think God brought us to the right time, and it is the right time for our students, our employees, and we're so gracious to everyone. We've raised $9.8 million in pledges or donations already, and our original goal was $10 million, and we would be at that, just a few dollars short if it wasn't for the rising construction costs and the labor costs in the product. So I feel really confident that we'll continue to come together, and we're right now kicking off our final phase of the campaign, which we'd like to secure another $3.2 million in donations and pledges, and we'd like to have that done before the end of the year, so before Christmas time, to have that. And we'll be looking to you, our alumni, to our donors, to the community again, to just come together and help rally us together to finish this project. Our students deserve this, our school deserves this, and again, we're so thankful for you.
As we anticipate an end date of about December 31st for the entire project. This fall, we'll be in the newly renovated South Wing, and then the renovated middle school. It's not quite as an extensive renovation, but we'll be in those two places for this fall. And then hopefully by the end of this calendar year, we'll be able to get in then to the north wing and then this newly built area as well. So really grateful for all your support. Please pray about continuing to help us with the campaign, with the project. May God bless you.